Welcome back, kids. We're going to do some piques now. We're going to be Belle from Beauty and the Beast. Do you have something to hold? I had a giant red rose and I can't find it. Can you help me look for it? There it is! Great! Okay, let's scooch over to the side a little bit. Now remember, you have a pirate's leg and you have a human leg. The pirate leg does not bend, so keep it nice and straight. The wooden leg does bend. Okay, here we go. Music, please. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Up and up and up and up. Good job. Let's try that again. One more time. Remember, keep your wooden leg nice and straight, and you can bend your human leg. All right. And up, 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 up. Good job, everyone.
Let's go to the other side.
Let's go to the other side. Can you hear that voice? I think it's Miss Cherylann somewhere talking to me. Okay. We have our left leg as our wooden leg now, and our right leg is our human leg. Let's see how we go on this side. All right, here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Up and up. Don't forget to point those toes, and remember to go up on your demi point, okay? Good job. Let's try that again. Left side again. Show me your wooden leg. Bend your human leg. Ready? Here we go. Up on your demi point. Up. 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 Up.